Hey everyone, my name is Vincent Mang. I'm on the U.S. National Sanda team, and I just got back from a series of competitions. This past May, I was in Italy for a World Championship. I just got back from Brazil a few days ago for the Pan American Championship, and it's been an amazing journey so far. For those of you guys who don't know, Sanda is a full contact combat sport that is under the sport of Wushu. Wushu is Chinese martial arts that is practiced worldwide. It is Olympic recognized, and Sanda is the combative side of Wushu. So in part of training and preparing for all these competitions, I use what is called BFR training using B3 bands. And 9 months ago, I had a major shoulder surgery that put me out, and they told me that after surgery it was going to be about a 6-month recovery. But of course, using the B3 bands, I was back in the gym training, punching in 3 months, which is pretty incredible. So if you haven't had a chance to check it out, if you're an athlete or just even someone that's looking to enhance their workout, get exercise, improve their lifestyle, health, this is an amazing tool. And you know, as an elite athlete, if I hear something that's going to help me with my game, I'll be the first one to try it out. So if you haven't checked it out, I would highly recommend. See for yourself and you know, take your game to the next level.